रिस्पॉन्सिबली कैसे यूज़ करना है, सेफ्टी मेथड्स, सिक्योरिटी मेथड्स, किसी भी डेटा लीकेज का कोई भी ऐसा केस ना हो कि कस्टमर का डेटा ज़बरदस्ती लीक हो रहा है, सो उस पर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एआई पे अच्छे से वर्क।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of harnessing India's youth as the country's greatest strength in the nation building is reaching new heights through the Startup India initiative. And today, India's young people are no longer waiting for jobs. They are transforming innovative ideas into successful businesses and creating employment opportunities for others. Here's a report.
Startup India has created a vibrant ecosystem of innovation, technology and entrepreneurship, where promising ideas receive recognition, mentorship and opportunity to grow. Leading educational institutions across the country are now playing an active role in driving this transformation.
We organize the startups pitching event wherein all the startups who are willing to attend this forum, they come here from across India, and we invite a lot of VCs and the investors. Startup India initiative के साथ MDI गुड़गांव बहुत अच्छे से step and step work करके to provide a very good ecosystem to the startup community.
Beyond access to capital, the right mindset and a commitment to continuous self-improvement are among the greatest strengths of any successful startup.
फ्यूचर इंडिया में गवर्नमेंट हैज़ मेड द सिस्टम वेरी कंड्यूसिव. आजकल इकोसिस्टम में फंडिंग बहुत है और मैं तो ये बोलना चाहूँगी पैसा बरस रहा है. क्या आपके अंदर वो है कि आप वो पैसा खींच पाए? इंडिया 143 करोड़ की जो पॉपुलेशन है, बहुत कंपटीशन है.
Artificial intelligence has opened new avenues of opportunity for startups. However, experts believe that using technology responsibly and ethically is just as important as embracing innovation.
एआई को रिस्पॉन्सिबली कैसे यूज़ करना है, सेफ्टी मेथड्स, सिक्योरिटी मेथड्स, किसी भी डेटा लीकेज का कोई भी ऐसा केस ना हो कि कस्टमर का डेटा ज़बरदस्ती लीक हो रहा है, सो उस पर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एआई पे अच्छे से वर्क करें.
The confidence of India's youth, the support of educational institutions, guidance from investors, and the responsible use of emerging technologies together form the foundation of a developed India. At the heart of this transformation is the immense potential of the country's young population. Ajay Mishra's report for DT India.